catches. Yeah, feels nice and sturdy. Comes in black and white on the style version. And on the light weight. To try and fiddle and go straight on the bone. What have you got? Top guns on? Oh, God. So that door panel 60 degrees there. That just comes off like that? Just, yeah. You can see it hooks on both sides, and then these bits hold the soil temperature. Because this is where the soil is. Yeah, so nice come off. No screws, nothing like that. They're
certainly thought about this.
So it certainly helps, doesn't it? Yeah. What is it? Sits in the groove on here, and rest up in the top with a little black bar there. So that goes like that. So, when you see green, that's for you to interact. Both fingers, and a drop down. Both fingers again, and then you access to your electric. So far, we've only used one screw. And we're into the top fan down. So, what is changing the old boilers? Okay, inside the boiler, this is some of the differences. So, try to test it here, it's slightly changed, overheat starts changed, it's got one overheat start now.
It's used to have the one over the top.
We used to have one on there, you've got one down on there, so you'd have your primary sensor here anyway. But we used to have the one down on the top, we've done away with that.
Yeah.
So there's one there now. Electrode, we've got one electrode sparking against the node, so to get the strongest sparking. This is your maximum CO2 adjustment. Okay, so you shouldn't need to adjust it when you're commissioning, etc.
You can adjust it
available today. Yeah. We'll come with a security seal across it as well.
I like the idea of that as well, because the compacts, I don't like the fact that you can't adjust them.
But you have such a wide tolerance. Minimum adjustment on the centre of the valve under a torque screw. Down into the bottom half of it. Trap, very audible, lock. Comes out towards you, tilt to the side to drain, and then come out. So you step over the bottom. That comes out, large volume trap. Pulls this out of the way, PLV's at the front. Which a lot of people seem to like to do it.
Yeah.
So it should make it easier to service as well. Once the trap's out of the way, you've got a lot of space. Okay? You've got electronic pressure sensor, which will allow the pressure to be read up here. So you've also got a manual pressure gauge as well. But a lot of the changes are around the matrix line and how you interface with it.
That plate drop out the back.
Yeah, it can drop out the back, otherwise you can take the hydro block out, undo the ISO valves, undo the ratchet, crank them one out of the way, and then what you see is it actually hooks. One here and one here.
Oh, literally just...
And then pulls them.
God, that's it.
So it should make it a little bit easier. So very much more easy access.
That literally just the whole lot just straight
Once you've undone your ISO valve, ignoring the gas. And then you've got your standard pressure ones with that drain point is connected to the... Yeah.
Just working on one of the older ones, system yesterday, taking this off.
Can you explain the auto filling link that you've got out now? That's good, isn't it?
Just
So optional accessory is automatic filling loop. Fits in the same way as normal. So this one, when you buy it out of the box, will have the blue pull down lever type of filling. That's your manual fill point. Otherwise, what you do, the solenoid plugs into the board and the connection there. Purple one, and then what you would do into the menu and then activate it. So what that will do is the bulb settings, it will look at the pressure, look at the electronic pressure gauge, and it will stop it for a certain amount of time over a certain period depending on what you've set. So it should help people who struggle maybe with the key or the lever. It should be a lot easier for them. But it's available as an accessory. The other thing we're doing is RF keys. It's a new feature for us. So do you think it comes with two? Yeah, so you know they come out of the box prepared and you put the receiver in the centre of the boiler. Obviously you can't do it on one of these, but you'll get a key. And what the key does, it slots in underneath, pushes up. Okay, take a moment to recognise there's a key in there and they come prepared. So it literally is plug and play. So the key is sitting in here and there's a little lock where you can lock it from the homeowner taking it in.
And that just automatically pairs with the...
Yeah, the